Tell me. Oh, Gino Patoots! Look at Galita, little cutie Patoots. I love her. Fence from the city every 2 seconds. It's really cold right now. Oh, she's a cutie Patoots. I'll see that to play. I'm gonna go grab another one. Keep doing things.
Here, I got grab this. Grab this.
Go. No! They have another one. Huh? Oh, got it. Look at it. Look at it. Ah, babe!
I brought
Sit.
the 3 or 4 balls.
Sit. Can you pop? Oh, good girl. Hola. Hola. Oh, she scores. Sit.
Yes.
You're thank you.
Drop. Drop.
No!
Do you know they have to be over there under the.
Okay, no! Gino! No. Good job. Sit. What's making them sit? Sit.
One of these since they have
Ow.
last time. About 6 months.
He doesn't pay attention. Sit. Can you pop? Oh, good boy. Down. You hit him. No. No. Ah! Ah!